Cheers to everybody out there. BizStream really enjoys St. Patrick's Day. It's one of our favorite holidays of the season. Part of the reason is it's right around March Madness. And for the past 2 years in 2020 and 2021, not sure if we're gonna be able to celebrate together, but we do have 3 BizStreamers here in the office just to kind of keep things running, and we wanted to celebrate. So we've got our green beer here. So we've got myself, Dave Valko, we've got Brian McKeever, our resident Kensco MVP, and our Director of Operations, Mike Krenz. So cheers, gentlemen. Enjoy your green beer.
Cheers, Dave.
We wanted to share with you one of our favorite drinks for the St. Patrick's Day season. It's an Irish Buck cocktail. And all you need is a little bit of Jameson, some limes, and of course, some ginger ale. And we use the Michigan-based Diet Vernors because we don't like calories, right guys? I mean, we're fit, so we try to do that. So what we're gonna do to make our Irish Buck, we're gonna go ahead and take a shot of Jameson, pour it in there. We've got 3 glasses, so we're gonna do 3 here. Pour it in. Next one here. And then we're gonna go ahead and top it off with our Jameson. So top it off there. Now, guys, what do you prefer, the green beer or the Vernors or the Irish Buck here?
It's a fantastic question, Dave. I don't know. I've never had an Irish Buck. I have had plenty of ginger ale and bourbon before, and that usually is pretty good. So I think I might enjoy this.
All right, sounds good.
No wrong answer, I'm sure, but I think I'm gonna like the ginger ale.
All right, so
mixture here.
now we got our Vernors in there, we got our Jameson. We're gonna go ahead and garnish with a lime. So we'll get our limes in there. We've got our socially distanced cocktail out. Slide that down here.
Yes.
Slide this down here.
Yes, sir.
All right, gentlemen, cheers.
Cheers.
See how this is?
Cheers to you all watching as well.
It's very good.
Oh, that is very good. That's very good.
I don't know. I might need more to figure out for sure. No, it's fantastic.
Awesome. Well, let us know if you prefer the green beer, if you might prefer a Irish Buck, or maybe just like Irish whiskey neat on the rocks, or maybe just Bailey's and coffee or anything. Anyway, happy St. Patrick's Day from the BizStream crew. Cheers.
Cheers.